Hey YouTube, by the Dip and Huddle here. So today I'm bringing you an update on the Pudgy Penguins situation. Did they rug? What happened? Everyone's wondering what's going on with the Pudgy Penguins. The price dropped dramatically today or yesterday, and well, not even that much. Well, there's just a lot of FUD going on right now in the Pudgy Penguin situation, and everyone's just kind of curious what's going on. So I'm just gonna update you guys on the situation. So basically, what happened was that the Pudgy Penguins promoted a loved community member or leader who was coldpizza.eth, or he went by Darth in Discord, to community manager without finalizing basically the terms of the salary and all that. And basically, what ended up happening was Darth wasn't appreciated, is what he felt like. He felt like the salary they offered was underpaid, and he basically went ahead and aired everything out publicly on Twitter. Had a whole Twitter space, and then he got kicked out. So it's just a lot of fun, you guys. That's basically all it was. Basically, he was basically saying that the Pudgy Penguins are ran by, unorganized children or something like that was his words. Don't quote me on that, but he was just saying all kinds of stuff about the team. Yeah, so just a lot of fun, you guys. Here's some of the chat. If you guys just want to scroll, you guys can just go to his Twitter. He has a very good detailed breakdown of the all the allegations, everything that ended up going down with the Pudgy Penguins. But in my opinion, this is just some fun. It might be a good buy the dip opportunity if you like the project, you guys. If this is something, artwork that you guys do want to get, it is a good time to buy the dip because the prices are pretty cheap on some of these rare ones. Me personally, I'm not invested in these, and well, I wish them the best, But that's just a quick update, you guys. So if you guys were just curious what happened, it's just basically a community leader got kicked out due to disagreements with the pay and everything, and all the issues that they had, and he kind of funded the project on his way out. But that's just crypto, you guys. So stay tuned for more news on here. If you guys did like it, go ahead and leave a like and a comment. Goodbye.